Huawei Pocket 2 just launched today. Huge LTPO OLED display, lightweight in design, 50-megapixel quad camera setup, fast wired and wireless charging, and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Huawei Pocket 2 phone. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing of the Huawei Pocket 2. The box features the branding of Huawei Pocket 2 and also Xmage. This time, the box is a bit slim. On the back, there's a quick release method mentioned. Opening the lid, the first thing you see is the phone itself. Setting the phone aside for a moment, there's a card containing safety instructions for the folding screen. In this cardboard box, you'll find a membership card and a hard plastic transparent case divided into two sections. Here's the 66W power adapter and the data cable. Additionally, there's another phone inside the box. Removing the plastic wrap from the phone reveals a unique first look. It's gray in color. The Chinese name for this color might be different, but it still resembles the pattern of Rococo white. You can also notice various textures in this color. Now let's look at the other color, which is black. The design of both phones is quite different because they use different materials. In this black color, the textures feel a bit harder, resembling a leather pattern, but it's harder than actual leather. However, the textures here are different and shiny. Since it's a foldable phone, there will be creases, but compared to its predecessor, you hardly feel the crease here. It's much less noticeable. However, the actual crease will only be evident after using it. In this small folding screen phone, there are more chances of noticeable creases because you have to unfold it to use it. If it were a larger folding phone, you could use the outer screen instead. This phone features a well-engineered hinge mechanism that allows you to hover the phone at any angle. You can test it out. Also, you can see the camera module, which houses 4 camera sensors. In the lower part, you'll find the outer screen. This time, the frame matches the same color as the back. You can see the hinge here, which has a glossy finish, matching the color as well. In this black color variant, both the hinge and the frame are black, but the hinge has a matte finish. The back of this phone feels quite smooth to touch, providing a nice tactile experience and giving a good in-hand feel. In comparison to its predecessor, the camera module and the outer screen of this Pocket 2 are larger. If you look at the edge of the back, you'll notice it's slightly curved, and there's a silver ring above the camera module. Both the upper and lower parts are the same size. The material is glass, and it provides a good grip. After turning on the phone, you'll notice that the small outer display remains on, providing an always-on display feature. The main screen of the phone is quite large, with bezels of almost similar sizes on all 4 sides. Compared to Samsung's Z Flip 5, the bezels on the Pocket 2 are slimmer, and the screen is also larger. When you look at both phones from the back, the hinge area is less visible on the Pocket 2 compared to the Z Flip 5, where it's more prominent. In terms of weight, the Pocket 2, with its bark material, weighs 201.2 grams, while the glass material version weighs 204.6 grams. Talking about the price of the Huawei Pocket 2, it starts at 74.99 Chinese yuan in China, which is approximately 826 UK pounds or 1043 US dollars. Also, friends, I will soon be bringing a detailed review of the Pocket 2, so stay connected with our channel. In this video, I was only going to share the unboxing and first impressions. So, friends, let me know in the comment section how you like the design of the Huawei Pocket 2. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.